Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the scene and enabling night mode. Open the camera app and point the rear camera at a dim subject. Night mode turns on automatically when needed. Once done, glance at the night mode icon at the top, tap it to see the suggested exposure time, which can range from 5 to 10 seconds depending on light. Make sure to mount the phone or steady your hands. Longer exposures need stability to avoid blur. Now you'll refine exposure and composition to get a clear night mode shot. Tap the exposure slider that appears with night mode and drag to increase or decrease the capture duration. A longer time gathers more light but magnifies motion risk. Make sure to lock focus and exposure by pressing and holding the screen, then recompose. If you want maximum control, disable live photos, otherwise leave it on for quick previews. Use a timer or tripod to eliminate handshake blur. Finish by taking the shot and reviewing it critically. Press the shutter and hold the phone steady until the night mode progress indicator completes, then open photos to inspect details. Once done, tap Edit to tweak brightness, noise reduction, and color balance. These adjustments can recover shadow detail. If your image is soft or has ghosting, make sure to stabilize better, shorten the exposure, or add a subtle fill light. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.